Okay, Putri and Ella is already joining. Okay. Hi, Putri.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Ella. Welcome back. So let me share screen again. Okay. I hope it works this time. Please share screen. Please work with me. Voila. Okay. Can everyone see the screen now? Or was there a
Nope,
problem?
not
No
yet.
or no?
Still loading.
Now? Can you see it?
No.
No? Okay. Okay.
Just wait, maybe. Okay.
Already. Okay. Good. Great. Okay, great job everyone. So we're done with the examples. So the birds flew to their nests, I sang a song, I put my phone, I read a newspaper, I drank a coffee. Pay attention that in English word, A is pronounced A, okay? So we do not say A. So just like some of you say before, sang, this one, right? Song. We don't say song, we say sang, okay? Because if you say song, it would be song like this, with you, not with a. Okay. Can you understand it so far, everyone? So
Yeah.
sang a song, drank coffee. Okay, good, great. So now I'm
Right.
gonna, yeah, so now I will teach you on how to make the negative and interrogative sentence. So again, all of these are positive sentence, positive verbal sentence. Don't forget verbal sentence because we also have nominal sentence, right? So in present tense, when we study present tense, last meeting, I also teach you about nominal and verbal sentences, right? Where do we when we use to be and when we use verb. So this one, do you think this one is verbal sentence or nominal sentence?
Nomin
What do you think? Is this nominal sentence or verbal sentence?
for for
Mhm. I heard someone say something. Is this verbal or nominal? We studied before. Remember this one? Where are you come from? Or where do you come from? Remember this question, everyone? So we talked about it before,
yes.
right? Yeah. So which one is verbal sentence and which one is wrong?
Verbal sentence is where do you come from?
Yup. Very good. So this one is verbal. Why do we call it the verbal sentence, Ella? Why? Why do we use
Yes,
do?
because there are verb
Where is the verb?
come.
Come is the verb. Great. So again, back again to your examples over here. Do you think this is verbal sentences or nominal sentences? What do you think? Mhm. Anyone?
Yes, Kavano, can you repeat it?
Okay, do you think this is verbal sentence or nominal sentences?
Verbal sentence
Why verbal sentences?
because there is
There
flu,
is.
flutes
What are they? They
and
are,
food,
yeah.
pets, young,
What are they? We call them verbs. So
verb.
they are verbs, yeah. So what about nominal sentence there? Nominal sentence. Remember we used to be, right? But what's the to be for past tense? Does anyone know?
To be,
Yeah.
past
To
tense.
be for past
Eh?
tense. So, for example, I am a teacher. This is a present tense sentence, nominal sentence. Okay. If
Oh, no, no, I know, I
if I
know.
use past tense, I cannot say I am.
But I
I
was
I
here.
was. Good, great job. Yeah. What about this one? I cannot say you are students. I cannot say that
You
because
are.
are is a as a present tense. To be
You
the to be
were,
for present tense.
you were,
You
you
were.
were studying.
You were
Student.
students. Students. Yeah. Very good. Great job. So remember, so in to be for past tense, there are two types of to be, was and where. Was is for singular and where is for plural. Okay. Okay, good. Great job, everyone. So let's go back again to this one. This one is positive sentence. Now let's try to make it into negative sentence. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example first and then you can do it by yourself. Okay? Oh wait, no, this is not my sentence. Wait, wait. I think I'm just gonna use my own sentence. I drove I drove a car yesterday. Okay. So this is positive sentence, and if I want to change it into negative sentence, I use okay, from last meeting when we study present tense, we use don't or doesn't, right? We use
Yes.
don't or doesn't. So what is the past tense form for don't and doesn't?
Didn't?
Good
Didn't?
job. Yep, good. Didn't. I didn't. Okay. Now pay attention over here. You have to be careful over here. Could be a little bit tricky. So we did, instead of saying drove, now for negative sentence we use verb one, drive. Okay, we go back again to the base form. So we say drive a car yesterday. Yes, Allah, yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. I didn't drive a car yesterday. Now, if you ask me, kakafano ko jadi drive? Why not drove again, kakafano? Because the answer is simple. It's because we already have the past tense form.
Didn't.
Didn't, right? Remember when we studied about don't and doesn't? This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can.
She doesn't go to school. Remember this one? So we don't say goes anymore. She goes to school. No. So if we for negative sentence we say she doesn't go to school. Why no goes kakafano? The rules kan harusnya tambah es, but because we already have es over here, okay? So we already have es over here. Therefore, we don't have to add another es here. Okay? So also the same rules apply also for past tense. We also say I didn't drive a car, not I didn't drove. Okay? So we go back again to verb one. Okay. So far, can you understand for negative sentence?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Others, Chris, Ifa, Alia, can you understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, Chris, Alia. Wait, is Alia here? I didn't see Alia before. Oh no, Alia
Yes.
is not here. Yes, okay, good. Wait, yeah, let me check if Alia. Oh no, Alia is not here. Okay, let's continue again. So this is for negative sentence. Now, what about interrogative sentence or question? So I start with. What should I start with? What should...
Did.
Did, yeah, good. Did I drive or drove? Drive or drove?
Dry.
Drive.
Drive.
Draw.
Great job.
Drive.
Drive or drove, Chris. You have to choose one. You cannot say both.
Drive. Drive.
Drive, yeah. Why drive? Why we go back
And
to verb one?
I don't know.
You don't know? Others? Why do I use drive here? Why not drove? Because we have, what do we have in front?
Did. Did.
Did, yeah, because we already have did. And did is already the past tense form from do and does. So that's why we don't have to make extra, or we don't have to use extra past tense form. Only one. Did I drive a car yesterday? Yesterday. Yeah. Okay. So far, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Others, can you
Yes.
understand? Okay, Ifa, Putri, Ella, can you understand
Yes.
about the example? Okay, good. Great job, everyone. Okay, so now, based on your own sentences over here, four of you, try to change the sentences into negative and interrogative. I will wait for your answer. Okay, I drank coffee is from Alia's sentences. Alia is not here.
I I didn't sing a song. Did I sing a song?
Mhm. Yep, good. Others?
The birds didn't fly to their nest. Did the birds fly to their nest?
Great job, Ifa. Okay. Chris, Putri, who wants to start first? Chris or Putri? You can use your sentence over here, okay? The same sentence. You don't have to change or you don't have to make the new one.
Um, I didn't put my phone.
Yep, I didn't put my phone. It's the same. For question, Putri, the interrogative sentence.
Did I put my phone?
Great job. Okay. Chris, last one.
I I didn't read a newspaper.
hmm
Did I read a newspaper?
Did I read a newspaper? Yep. Good. Great job, everyone. Okay, so we're done with this one with the example. Okay, now let's discussing a bit again about past tense. Okay, for past tense and for some of the tenses, we always use the adverb of time. Okay, the adverb of time is by in bahasa Indonesia you'd say keterangan waktu. Okay, just like I use over here, yesterday, yesterday, yesterday. So if can I change yesterday into tomorrow? Can I
No,
change yesterday into tomorrow? Okay, no. Why? Why no, Putri?
because tomorrow is future
Good.
tense.
Tomorrow is future tense. And when we talk about past tense, we talk about something happened in the past. So what about today? Can I say today? I drove a car today.
No,
No, yeah. Because for today we use present tense. What about this one?
yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Great job. So far, I think you understand about this one. For nominal sentence, it's also very easy. Okay, I think I will show you the example first, and then maybe we can, after that, we can jump to the exercise, okay? So I was a teacher. Negative sentences, I was not, or I wasn't. That's okay. I wasn't a teacher. And then for question, we start with to be. So was I a teacher? Was I a question? Was I a teacher? Yeah. For where is also the same. Oops, I forgot question mark. Yeah. For where is also the same. We change where into where not or weren't. So you can either say were not or weren't. Both works. Okay, weren't or were not. And then when you want to make the question or interrogative sentence, then you say, were you students? Were you guys students? Were you students? Yeah. Okay, good. Any questions so far before we jump to the exercises? Any questions so far, everyone?
No.
Okay, no from Putri. What about others? Do you have any questions so far? Chris, Ifa, Ella?
No.
No? Okay, good. Okay,
No.
no. Okay, good. So if you say no, I think that you understand about the material, right? Past tense. So now we can jump to the exercise. Okay, remember again the exercise. Answer the question and explain why do you choose that answer, okay? So every time you choose the answer, explain it to me. I need the reason why, not only the answer. Okay, let me share screen again. Yeah. Can you all see it now? Can everyone see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So this is the exercise for past simple tense. Number one, let's start with Ifa, because Ifa is the first one here in my Zoom. She's right below me. So yeah,
My
Ifa, go ahead.
family, my family and I, blah 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 blah, in London when I was young.
Mhm.
Was sleep.
Option
C.
C. Why C? Why C, Ifa?
Kapano, sorry, my grandma called me.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's okay.
Hmm. Because kan wastif itu kata was kan itu buat yang di apa namanya past tense. Jadi I think the answer is was.
No sleep. Okay. What about option A? Why don't you choose option A? Why not option A? Mm-hmm. Ifa?
Hmm. Wait, Kavana. Let me think.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. I'll give you time to think. Okay, so while waiting for Ifa, I will jump to number two first. Chris, can you do number two? After this, we'll go back to Ifa again for number one. So we'll keep it for Ifa. Number two, go ahead.
We we both some sandwich and fresh fruit to eat for lunch yesterday.
Yep. Why do you choose both? Option C. Why do you choose that?
It's because there is a past tense, and past tense usually we use verb to,
Yeah.
and verb to buy is
Good.
oh,
Very good. Is this regular or irregular, Chris? What do you think?
uh, irregular.
Irregular. Yep. Good. Number three, Putri. Oh, by the way, if you already have the answer, please tell me, okay? So I can go back again to you.
Kavano?
You have it? Okay, yeah.
Yes. I think I changed my answer. I think it's A because
Why? Mm-hmm.
is past tense and yang kayak tadi Kavano bilang ubah ke verb to.
Mm-hmm.
Jadi leave-nya ditambah id di belakang and I think it's A Kavano.
Hey, okay, good. But why not C? Why not option C? We talked about was before, right? Why don't you use was here?
Yes.
Was is for past tense,
Mm.
right? Huh.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Kak Kavano, gimana kamu? It's very hard to pick leave or
I
must
will
leave.
shake your fate. Kakak Fano akan menggoncangkan Diva punya iman di sini.
Hmm, I keep leave.
Lift, okay, lift. That's okay.
Yes.
Mm. Because you think lift is the best answer, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. So very good, everyone. I mean, very good, Tifa. So the correct answer for number one is lift, option A, not option C, because was live cannot match together. Okay, so if we go back again, oh wait, I don't think I can share screen on that one again. Okay, so let me just explain really quick. So was live was, we use was for to be, right? For to be. So Ifa, can you say the formula again for me? What's the formula of past tense? I will type it down here. Yeah. Ifa, can you say it again? The formula.
Ya Kak Vano?
Can you say the formula again for past tense?
Hmm, wait. Ibu ada ingat saya Kak Vano?
Mhm. It's easy, very easy. We start with, we always start a
Subject.
sentence with subject, yes. And then,
Hmm, subject. Abis itu
mhm,
subject verb. Verb
verb,
to.
verb to, yep.
Hmm, dengan ini yang OO di belah di depan ya.
Object. Eh, sorry.
Object.
Object. Yup, good. So this is the formula, Ifa. Subject, verb to, object. Now if we go back again, was and where, they were actually to be. Okay? So if you say the answer is was, sorry. If you say the answer is was live, then it's incorrect. Why? Because it's not in the formula, right? We don't see subject plus to be plus verb to. No. We didn't see that, right, Ifa? Unless it's a nominal
Yes, Kak Fano.
sentence. Yeah. Nominal sentence mean there is no verb. This one, on the other hand, we see was live. Was is to be. Live is verb. It doesn't make any sense. So that's why option C is wrong. Because we cannot use to be. Okay? Only verb to. So verb to is lived, not was live. Okay, Ifa, can you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's continue again. Where were we? Number two already. Number three, Putri. Go ahead. Number
Okay.
three.
They want to blah, 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 movie, but there were no more tickets. My answer is B, Cell,
Because.
because the sentence they want plus ed, and that is a
Ah.
regular tense.
Mhm.
It's the past tense. So C A, option A, C, that is for present tense maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. And options B for past tense and C for mm,
Mhm.
not future.
Or continuous tense.
Yes,
Yeah.
understand.
Okay.
I forget that.
Okay. Good, Putri. Okay. So Putri, I have a question now. What is the
Oh,
verb in the sentence? Can you analyze? Can you tell me which one is the subject, the verb?
oh, the subject is they.
Mm-hmm.
The verb is want. When
Wanted. Okay.
yeah,
And then
and the object is a movie.
movie. Okay, my question now is why do we have saw over here? Why do you say saw? So was it also verb two? So we have two verbs?
Hmm.
Uh-huh.
Wait, maybe
Kakapano,
that
oh
is
my god.
a new sentence.
New sentence, are you sure? Why it's a new sentence? We don't see any punct there, any dot there. Tidak ada tanda titik situ,
I
I
don't
don't see.
know.
You don't know. Okay, that's okay.
Ah, ah,
Okay, that's okay, Putri. That's okay. That's a good try. What about others? Can I listen from others first? So what Putri says is actually correct. They is the subject. Wanted is the verb too, but then we have another verb, and Putri say it's saw. So we have two verbs in a sentence. Hmm. Can anyone tell me?
Um, maybe because two itu kata sambung connecting.
Two
yes,
is
new
kata
sentence.
sambung. No,
So
it's not.
sound. Oh,
To
I
saw.
don't know.
God.
Okay. Okay.
They
That's
want
okay,
to.
everyone. Good try. Nice try. That was really good analogy. But let me explain this really quick, okay? If you say there are two verbs in a sentence, it's wrong, okay? There cannot be two verbs in a sentence. There has to be only one verb, okay? So we can have one main verb. However, we can have one main verb and the other verb, okay? Like the supporting verb, okay? Wanted is the main verb in the sentence, and we call this to infinitive and beyond. No, not that one. To infinitive. Can have you ever listened to that? Infinitive verb.
No,
Infinitive
no.
verb. Have you?
It's the first time.
It's the first time.
Forever.
Wow. Like this one, to find, to go,
Oh,
to
oh,
see, to
to
watch, and so on and so on. Yeah. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever seen this kind of?
yes, yes, yes,
Oh, yes.
yes.
Yeah.
But I don't know
So,
the
so to infinitive, which means all the verbs that start with to always follow by verb one. Okay, so all the verbs always follow by verb one. So this one, to find, we don't say to found. We say to find. We say to go, not to
oh,
went. To see, not to saw. Okay. To
oh,
watch, not to
also
watched.
they want
Okay.
the
Yeah, so the correct answer is wanted to,
they
wanted
they
to
wanted to see
see. Yeah,
uh
okay. Yeah,
there were more.
yeah. So therefore the correct answer is A. Okay, Putri, not B. But that's okay. Your analogy is really good. Yeah, very good. Okay. So just remember, if you see, for example, like she 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 wanted to
To
blah blah
go
blah to
to go
school.
to mall,
She wanted to blah 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 to school. What verb should we use? Go or went?
go pick, go.
Go. Yeah. So just remember, if you see a verb, before the verb, we have the word to, which means we have to follow by, it has to be followed by verb one. Okay, the infinitive form. The to infinitive, we call it
Uh,
to infinitive. Yeah. Verb one. She wanted to go. No, she wanted to went. Okay. So far, can you
okay.
understand, everyone?
Okay.
Yes.
Katakana, so many rules. Oh my god. Yes, it is. If you study grammar, it is. You have to deal with rumus and so many other things.
Rules make for us to break.
Yeah. But Kakafano, I thought we were studying language. We're not studying math. Well, you know what? In English, we also have formulas. Okay? Ada juga rumus-rumus
Yes.
yang not only in math. So be careful. Could be tricky sometimes. It may sounds
Mm,
correct, yeah, it may sounds correct, but grammarly
but
it's not. Okay.
it's wrong.
Sometimes we say something and we think, oh yeah, or maybe sometimes we heard something and then we say, oh, I think maybe this one is correct because I always listen to that. But turns out it's wrong. Just like the way you say, where are you come from instead of where do you come from? Right? All of you say kakafano, where are you come from is the correct one. Turns out, no, it's wrong. So be careful. Okay, anyway, I talk so much. Sorry, let's continue again. Number four, Ella.
Number four. Um, did you have a good time? Yes, I had. My answer is A
A.
because it's past tense, and why I don't choose did because the apa, pertanyaannya itu lebih menuju ke have a good time.
Mhm. Do you go to school today, Ella?
No, no, I didn't.
Do you go to school today?
No, no,
No,
I
I
didn't.
I didn't or I don't.
No, I didn't because it's
Aha, be careful.
uh
I ask you with
uh
you go to school.
did you can you repeat the
Repeat the question. Okay, let
apa?
me ask you again. Do you eat pizza today?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. So you say no, you don't. Why don't you say no, I eat?
Mm, because
I know.
wait, kakapaano mo kuya kanila iman?
Yeah, I can shake anyone's weight here. So okay.
Mm,
Anyway, let's go back again to this one. So, did you have a good time?
have a good
Yes, I had. Is that correct? Are you sure? So, just remember this
uh,
one. Just go back
correct.
again like this. Do you go to school? If yes, then What do you say, Ella? If yes, just an example. If you go to school, if you did go to school, what do you say? Do you go to
Yes,
school?
I go to school.
Uh, you don't have to use the school one. Do you go to school? You say.
Yes, I go to school. Huh?
Is that correct?
Eh,
Okay, so for this kind of question, if we start with did or do or does, we always answer with back with
did.
that again. Yeah. So do you go to
No,
school? Do you go to school? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Right? We don't say no,
no.
I go. We don't say no, I go, but we say no, I don't. Yes, I do. So did you have a good time? Yes,
Yes, I
I
did.
did. Yup. Not I had.
but
Yeah.
uh, but like it's
It's
tidak
confusing,
terlalu.
isn't it? It's confusing, isn't
No,
it? No, okay.
yeah. First, my answer is did, but I think like oh no, I think it's had.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So just remember, if you see a question, if you see question start with did, or do, or does, then the answer should also be using that. So, for example, does she go to school? Yes, she does. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. Do they go to school? Yes, they do. Okay. Can you understand that, Ella?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, I.
yes, I do.
Listen again. Can you understand the question? Can
Yes, I
you
can.
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Good. Great job.
I think
Great job. Yeah.
do.
So if I ask you, can you understand? You say, yes, I can. Yeah. Sometimes I listen to some of the students say, can you understand the question? And then they say, yes, we do, Kakavano. No. I ask you, can you? Not do you understand the question, but I say, can you understand the question? Grammar is so fun, isn't it? Okay, anyway, let's continue again. Number five, Ifa.
He didn't blah 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 me because I was behind the tree. Si
Mhm.
Kakafano. B. Tapi ini si.
B. Yep, great. Because we already have didn't, right, for past tense. Good.
Yes.
Okay, number six. Chris, be careful on number six. I just discussed it before with Ella. So I hope you can answer this one correct. Number six.
Was you a good student in school? Yes, I was.
Okay, okay. You used to be, but be careful. What's the to be for you, Chris? What is the to be for you? You was?
Ha ha ha.
Did.
Did?
Where?
Ella?
Apa ini tolong?
You're just guessing this time, Chris. You say, where was Kakavano? Did? Where? Okay,
Ayo, 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 ayo.
what
Wait.
what is your answer, Chris? Can you say it again? What's your answer? Number six? I'm gonna help you this time. It's either where or did. We don't use
Aras.
was. Where or did between these two.
Where?
Where? Yeah. So the to be for you is where, right? So we say you
Yes.
were a teacher. Yeah. We don't say you was a teacher. Okay, good. Great job. Number seven, Putri. No, number seven is easy.
Um, when did they do option A?
Why
Back
option
to
A?
Ah, I know.
Mm-hmm.
Why when
be-
others question I know,
I don't
but
know.
what my question I
You don't know.
yes.
I have no idea, Ella. As the one who make the question, I don't know.
Be-
Okay, Putri.
Aras.
because in their did So that is past tense.
Yeah. So which one is the correct answer? Which one should we use? Flew, flies, or fly?
Flew.
Flew? Are you sure? You said it before. We already have did kakafano and it's the past tense form. So that's
Uh,
why
wait,
the
wait,
verb
wait, wait. When did
Percayalah Kakak Fano sangat menggoyahkan iman.
mm,
yep.
fly? See, see.
Why fly?
And forget that is interrogative sentence.
Yeah, exactly. This is a question, right? You have the question mark over here, the last. So that's why we have to use verb two or one, Putri. If this is a
One.
question, one. Good, great job. Okay, last one. Oh, this is easy. Yeah, this is easy.
It's my turn. Okay,
Yep,
okay.
number eight.
They flew back to their country last month. Is it
Why?
wrong?
No, it's correct. It's correct.
Because
But
it's
I want
past
to listen
tense.
because it's a
Because it's past tense.
yeah. Of course, all of these are past tense.
Because it's apa
Positive sentence.
positive
Yeah.
sentence.
If you say because it's past tense, yo, we talk about past tense. Our material today is about past tense, so of course the questions all of them are past tense. Okay, good. Great job, everyone. So for number 9 until number 16, I think we can just discuss it for next meeting. Okay, we're just gonna leave it for next meeting. Okay, so because we have around 1 minute left. Okay, so far before we end today's class, what do you think about today's material? Do you think it's okay, Kakavano? It's kind of difficult. Okay, it's challenging, but can you understand the materials? Can you understand the whole thing that we've studied before?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Putri, Chris,
Yes.
Ifa, what do you think about past tense? Kakavano paling susah.
Yes,
Hmm,
continue.
mengguncang iman kata Fano.
Mengguncang
Imannya
iman.
mengguncang iman.
Wow.
Okay, wow. Remember, this is only the second tenses.
Wow.
We still have wait, 14 more tenses. Masih ada 14 lagi. Aduh, kakak mana ya Tuhan. Kayaknya
Oh my God.
habis bahas 16 tenses
Yeah.
langsung saya nggak ada iman lagi kakak Fana. Okay, anyway. Yeah, it's just a joke. Yeah. For next
Hari
meeting, I
itu harus
think,
upgrade iman.
yeah, okay. Let's just see what we will talk about for next meeting. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining today's class. I hope you understand about it, and we'll continue again on Saturday. Okay. So see you everyone.
See you.
See you all.